Hey folks, Vic here. Today I recorded a live trade for you, okay, as it was happening. So I'll show you exactly where we got in and why and how the trade unfolded, and you'll see all of that. Note that I started the recording just before we were actually filled, okay, because we know in advance where we want to buy or sell at. This was a sell in this case. And these kind of trade setups are just golden, and we certainly look to take advantage of them whenever they set up, and they set up daily, okay. So here you go. And as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. That really helps our YouTube ranking, and we sure appreciate it. And while you're watching the video, you'll see a subscribe button in the lower right corner. So if you just click that, you'll be subscribed. And after you click that subscribe button, click the little bell, and you'll be subscribed to our channel, and you'll be notified whenever I put out a new video. Okay. So yeah, take a look at this short trade that we had on the New Zealand US dollar. Hey folks, Vic here. I just clicked the record button here. This is a live trade. I'm not in just yet. We're selling it up here at 270.25, and it is now filled, and we'll see what happens. This is based on the daily and 4-hour charts. Okay, so you can see our level was hit. What a nice move down so far. Our first profit has been taken. Yeah, I'm just looking in our chat room. Lots of other members took the trade as well. So that's great to see. Let's see if we can get a little more juice out of the lemon here. Okay, folks, just an update on this trade as we come into the London close. Yeah, you can see that we sold it right here. What a nice fill that was. And then straight down like this. Pretty good move. And again, this is all based on higher time frame levels, like on the daily chart. This level right over here, this is what I had drawn in. Like I provide these levels to our members every day. And then, and we had this pin bar reversal yesterday. Like these are all clues that it's probably going to go down again. So we're really willing to give it a shot on the short side more than anything. And the daily chart, advanced market flow is indicating more downward pressure on this than anything until price proves otherwise. And then what we do is we use a 4-hour chart to help us fine tune. Like this is the daily level right here, but we use this 4-hour level. This comes from the 4-hour chart to fine tune our entry to get a really good level that we can really expect a reaction from. Most times that happens, at least enough to get the risk out. Well, in this case, I mean, this has been up, well, unscaled, way over 3-to-1 reward risk, and still heading down here. A lot of members took, or I shouldn't say a lot, I just saw some that took a 2-to-1 reward risk even after these scaled out. So it's still going well. And if it gets down to this 69.70 level, even if you scaled part of your position, that's a 3-to-1 reward risk on that too. So, and it looks like it's heading that way. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. This is what we look for each day. And we just simply take the trade when it sets up. And then it's just a matter of using impeccable trade management, and then that's it. So win, lose, or draw, they're good setups. So there you go. And by the way, if you like this video, if you could give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button, I'd really appreciate that. And be sure to subscribe to our channel, because like there's a subscribe button in the lower right hand corner of this video, because I put these kinds of videos out every week. So yeah, there you go. Anyway, take care. Thanks again. So there you go. Not much more to say about that. Hopefully it was pretty self-explanatory. And again, if you like these kinds of videos, yeah, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much, everyone. Take care.